Hi guys, welcome back to MidshireTV, the channel for all of your business communications technology needs. Today we're going to review the Polycom VVX250 IP handset, which is an entry-level phone with some really cool features such as a colour screen, Wi-Fi and HD voice. Okay, first of all, let's unbox the VVX250. What do you get? Handset, the phone itself, curly cord, plug that in a moment, and a back plate which you can use to adjust to a different height, and a Cat 5 cable. As you can see, assembled in a jiffy and ready to plug in. Right, let's power the phone up for the first time. So the phone has gone through its boot up sequence, takes about a minute or so. It's been configured already to work straight away. As you can see, the Polycom VVX250 is a pretty good looking phone with that signature piano black finish. That screen is a 320 by 240 LCD display, which is backlit, so it's nice, clean and easy to read even in a low light setting. What you can see on the device is you've got a very simple interface. So you've got a home button with access to the menu system. You've got the dial pad, 1 through to 0 of course with star and hash. You've got a transfer button, place someone on hold, volume which can be used for in-call volume as well as ringer volume. You've got headset mode. This device is compatible with a wide range of handsets. Speaker, there's an inbuilt speaker if you don't want to pick up the handset itself, and a big button here to mute. So if you're in call and you want to mute the call, you can simply press this button and it will highlight red to indicate. What Polycom have achieved with this device is a simple and easy to use interface, just like the other models in the VVX range. This phone has already been programmed, and with the soft keys we can actually program these two keys here for group call pickup, a demo page, or a wide variety. It could be a speed dial or a group call or access to voicemail. You've also got some further soft keys in this area here where you can click redial to access the last few numbers that you've been dialing and instantly redial them. Forward to perhaps forward your calls to another extension, for example. A very quick DND button which is highlighted again on the screen, and some more features such as access to your directory, call return and more, all accessible through there. If you pop into the home menu, you can also get to these sort of items just by navigating through there and click back button to return. These buttons are customizable, but if you need a few extra, check out the VVX450 which has got 10 customizable keys and an optional expansion module. Let's have a look at the rear of the device to see what's under the bonnet. If I'm to turn the device over, just unplug it there, you can see that this actual device can be powered by a power pack or also via power over Ethernet. That's how we're powering that device, so the power's going over the network port in order to power it on. Next, we've got gigabit pass-through, so if you've got a shortage of network cabling within your organisation, you can actually use this port to plug in your computer or laptop, for example, so that you can get access to the internet and also to the rest of your local network. There's also an RJ9 port, which gives you connectivity for a wide range of headset compatibility. And there's also on the side a USB port, which opens up some other options as well. You can take a Wi-Fi adapter such as this, plug it into the USB port on the side to get yourself connected to Wi-Fi. So if this phone is going home with you, make sure your service provider is supplying you with a power pack. And so there you have it, the VVX250 IP handset from Poly. A simple, quality, easy to use handset with all the features that you would expect for use at the home or office. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a like. You can subscribe by clicking on the link below, and don't forget to ding that bell to be informed of any future videos. If you'd like to give us a call, you can do on 08000 322 322. Be happy to help you with any of your communications needs. And don't forget, we are the business communications experts.